A saggy and flabby belly is a major area of concern for most of the people. Unhealthy food choices, poor lifestyle habits, and sitting all day long in front of the laptops lead to fat accumulation, particularly in the midsection, making your clothes feel tighter. A bulging belly not only makes you feel conscious about your look, but is also unhealthy. The most annoying thing about abdominal fat is that it is hard to lose, especially if you do not have enough time to spare in the gym due to your busy schedule. Luckily, even 10 minutes a day can help you come to shape. Here are 5 exercises that work particularly on your abdominal muscles and help to burn all those extra fat from the mid region. You need to do each of these exercises for 45 seconds followed by 15 seconds of resting period. Now let's get started. Number 1. Flutter kicks. Simply lie down on your back with your legs together and hands underneath your buttocks. Lift your right leg off the ground slightly past the hip height. At the same time, lift the left leg so it hovers a few inches off the floor. Your back should be on the ground. Hold this position for 5 seconds, then switch the position of the legs, making a flutter kick motion. To make this exercise more challenging, lift your head and neck off the floor. Number 2. Kettlebell swing. Stand with your feet shoulder wide apart and hold a kettlebell from the handle with both hands. Bend your knees slightly, push your hips back and swing the weight between your legs. Stand up, contract your glutes and swing the kettlebell up to about chest height. At the top of the momentum, lock your elbows, keep core tight and quads and glutes contracted. Return to the squat position and repeat. Number 3. Leg raise. Lie down on your back with your legs straight and together. Place your hands by your side and keep your legs straight and lift them to the ceiling until your butt comes off the floor. Slowly lower your legs back to the ground. Wait for 2 to 3 seconds and then again take your legs up. Number 4. Russian twist. Sit down on the floor with your knees bent and feet lying flat on the ground. Lean back slightly so your torso and thighs from a V shape or a 45-degree angle. Clasp both your hands in the front and lift your feet slightly off the ground. Engage your core muscles to twist your torso first to the right, then back to center and then to the left. And last we have is reverse crunch. Lie on your back comfortably with the legs stretched and arms resting by your side. Bend your knees and lift them off the floor to bring them to your chest level. This is the starting point. Roll your pelvis upward so that your knees come close to your forehead. Hold the pose and then lower the pelvis back to the starting position, keeping your knees near your chest. Repeat this process. Be consistent and get rid of that stubborn belly fat and get into shape as fast as possible.